I'm at Merseylea. I'm on the top bridge here at Merseylea. This bridge here, you can see the water's dropped a lot, but you can see where it's been. It's come right over the top of this bridge. Poor bugs into that house over the road. This is the second time they've copped a flood. 2016 was their last one. That whole side of that river there was full of trees. And as you can see, it's not hardly a tree to be found along there. It's gone right back here, taking all that soil off there. It's all rocks there now. And the water's still a heap of water belting down here. Yeah, it's right down there's another big cluster of trees right up against everything there. Certainly a lot of damage. I mean, 2016 floods were bad, but that house there never had that damage back in 2016 like it's got now. Like the riverbank like that wasn't washed away. Unbelievable. I'm down the Mersey Bridge now. This is the middle bridge, the new one they put in after the 2016 floods. And as you can see, look at the water just pushing down there. If you ever want to bait fish, that's the spot to come down there and have a little bait fish. Look at worming over there along that shoreline over there where that flat water is, up in there amongst those trees. A good place to pick a few trout up in there, I reckon. This is looking upstream from the bridge. You can just tell the how that water belting down the river here. You see it's taken out the cattle bridge down there for the second time. The 2016 floods took all that out. Only thing it hasn't done is still a few more trees left here this time, but yeah, it's such a mess. And I just thought to chap out the road. He said they've forecast more rain for about a week's time, I think. So if this hasn't dropped, we're going to bring heavy dose of rain. It's going to be one hell of a mess. Actually, I've just zoomed in up past that cattle bridge that's been washed away. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of trees gone from right up in there, because that was willows all the way up through there. And looking pretty open right up the back there now. It's going to be like fishing a new river again. I saw a photo yesterday up at Weegina there where it's gone right through the paddocks up there too and taking everything out. Anyway, it's starting to rain again here. I'm going to head back to the car. That part up in there is usually you can walk up through there. It's usually all high cool grass land up in there. Yeah, it's just going to take a while to come down this river. It's going to take a good couple of weeks and a half or more before it's anything happens. And if we get more rain, yeah, it's going to be one real mess. As you can see, it's been right over here and right through the paddocks. It's where my car is up there is where this fence once was, and it's just taken it out, and the gate, concrete, the whole lot. It's come right across the road there. There's a big pole down as well over there, logs, and certainly a shambles. So it's probably been right up there, banging along right under that new bridge too. Certainly some power in water. You just don't realise it. The force of the water against those concrete pylons there. You can see why the old timber bridges didn't last, and when all the logs came down and got up against them, and just yeah, the water pressure just took everything away. I'll have a bit of a photo slideshow at the end of this little video, and I'll go back and find some of the 2016 flood photos and put it in the slideshow just to show you. You can see the comparison and the difference from today to back then.